Hey guys, this is Indranil from Indranil's Photography, welcoming all to the third episode of Filmora 9 tutorials. In this episode, we'll be covering the liquid effect. So yeah, let's get started. So as we are in Filmora 9, I'll just delete up this one. Yeah. Now choose a background color. I'll go with gradient 2, and for the second layer I will go with blue, and for the third layer I'll go with orange. Make sure to lock the first layer. I'll now choose the third layer and make it into half. Same goes with the blue one. Make it into half so that a space can be created in between for the text to appear. Now after you're done with this, now go to the effect panel and type here water, then drag and drop the water effect in the fourth timeline and double tap on that. Decrease the emboss so that all the patches can be removed. Hit OK. After you're done with that, lock the water effect or the water timeline, then go to the media, drop a sample color. I will go with black and go to titles, default title. Put the default title on top of the black one, double tap on that and write in your text here. I'll write here photography. Make sure you choose a bigger font, somewhere around 150 or 200, and go with a bigger and broader font. I'll go with impact. Hit OK. After you're done creating this, take a snapshot by pressing this button here, or you can use it, or you can take a snapshot by the shortcut Ctrl Alt S. Now after you're done taking a snapshot, delete these two as we are done using them. Now go right in the front, hit OK, and yeah, drag and drop the snapshot in the fifth timeline, double tap on that, change the blending mode into darken. After you have made it to darken, decrease and then lock the time. Now click the third timeline. As you can see that this starts coming, so put it right on top where the text starts. Same with the blue one, put it right below where the text ends, and you're done with this. Now double tap on that, go to motion and search here for move to top, like this. It should come up like this. Hit OK. Same with the orange one, but this one will be opposite, move to down, and it should come down like this, and hit OK. After you're done doing all this, and now your effect is ready to be played. As you can see, I just make it, as you can see that the effect has been created and it also looks nice. So yeah, I hope you like this video, as this was the third episode in the Filmora 9 tutorial series. Make sure you stay tuned as more tutorials on Filmora are coming up. If you are new, please like, share and subscribe. If you haven't yet subscribed, then please do subscribe. And yeah, make sure to drop a like and write down your comments below. This was me, Indranil, signing out.